What's up, guys? Whoa, the camera is zoomed in. Zoom out. There we are. We got us here brand new Wilson starter. Walmart, $44. We're gonna toss this on the motor real quick, and we're gonna squirt some starting fluid in the carbs, and we're gonna slap it with a battery and see if we can get it to fire. Yeah. On top of that, before we do that, I ripped out the front deck for the most part. Got all the carpet out and some of the floor out, not all of it out quite yet. I'm about to hop here with a shovel and scoop out all that shit and try and unclog the drain tube, which it looks like I might have got it unclogged when I was dicking around in there the other night, because it's a lot less water that was in there than before. Anyway, let me slap this starter on so we can try and start this bitch. Quick note here to anyone who is looking for the Chrysler 480955 starter. It cross-references directly over to this Wilson 71-06-5268. If it happens to end up being the same as mine, forewarning, the studs are not perfectly spaced, so you literally have to shove this thing in here. I don't have it all the way in yet. I'm about to hammer on the bottom to force it the rest of the way through. So forewarning, if you're getting the same starter for the same application, you're going to run into that issue more likely than not. Okay, starter's in. I get power directly to the starter. Battery's hooked up. Just gotta ground it. Hopefully it'll turn over. See, it looks sketchy, like the way the Bendix comes up to the flywheel. It looks like it's just gonna mash it. Let me find a way to prop the phone up since I'm by myself right now. So y'all can see this. Let me zoom in there. There, hopefully y'all can see that. Let's try and ground this thing, huh? Actually, here, let's go to a ground, and then we'll just tap this. Oh, look at that. Oh. Only does it for like a split second. Doesn't keep going. Whoa, 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 whoa. I wonder if I have a crappy ground or something. Huh. Probably should be doing this a little more safely somehow. I'm gonna try grounding it here, which might be foolish. Also, leave that like that. No. Maybe I've seen a better ground. Let's just try a different nut. Hold on here. I'm gonna fuck up that post if I keep doing this. Alright, hold on, guys. Zoom back out. So yeah, just in fear that I'm gonna fuck up the post here, I'm gonna go through the solenoid. We got it to crank over a couple of times now. Let's go ahead and, I don't think I have any starting fluid. I have brake clean though. Let's spray some brake clean on the carbs and see if we can get it to pop. Fresh can of brake clean right here. Also should make sure battery's not getting hot, which it's not. Alright. Now, one of these cables opens it. Hold on, I'm gonna sit you guys down right there real quick so I can figure this out. I want to say it's this one right here. Yep. That would be the one. Let's give it a little squirt, a little squirt, and let's let the danger occur, shall we? All right. Okie dokie smoky. Let's give her a whirl, eh? 1970s Chrysler flathead 4-cylinder outboard. First start. Well, first bumble start, an unknown period of time. I don't know if it's sparking, but it's like turning over so slow. I don't know why. Well, before I melt cables, we know she turns over for the most part. I gotta let these cables cool down, and then we'll see if it's actually got spark or not. Okay, this should get interesting. Harbor Freight, basic ass shop vac, straight water. Let's do it. Oh, geez. Uh-oh. They appear to be clogged. That was quick. Or we could be full. I was doing it a minute ago. Oh yeah, check it out. It actually works. Look at that, full of water. All right. Whoops. I'm like actually very impressed with that. I'm not even gonna lie. All right, well, let me dump all this crap out, huh? Okay, kids. We got the rest of the carpet off the floor section, I guess, of the boat. The back deck is fine here, except for right here is where it starts getting soft. Got all the water and leaves out and stuff. I'm about to test to see if the drain's operational. The plywood on the siding here is broken through behind the carpet. You can actually look through here and see light. See it down there? I got these vacuumed out too. You know, the wire is shoved in there and stuff. But is that much closer to being completely and totally stripped. Still got to pull these side cushion things off because I don't see the need for them. And yep, we're about to mess with the motor some more, see if we can get some spark out of it or not. But right now we're just kind of kicking back. That's what it's. I can't wait till this thing's done. It's gonna be sweet. I just like sitting in it in general. Well, stay tuned, everyone. There will definitely be more happening with the boat. Oh, we got a name for it too. She's gonna be called Sorry, I'm tired. She's gonna be called the Jobsite, which I think is pretty clever, and I like it. So, ta-ta for now, kids.